Okay, the 3D prints came. I got 24 pairs, and I'm quite impressed with them actually. They're pretty strong, and they're good. Right, this is our 2 brackets. The fault I've made with this one is that they're too similar. Let me get this the right way around. Yeah, I prefer them that way around, because I can kind of tell which is which. This is the bottom bracket, and it's slightly different from the top one, but it's the new design. This is totally different, and you can totally easily see which way it goes round. That's the way it goes, but you could easily get it that way around, which would be wrong. That's the kind of that wouldn't fit right. So that's fixed in the new design. But for now, what we're going to do is we're going to make some sticks up and use these joints to test some structures.